C# interface. What is C# interface? Multiple inheritance is not supported in C#. So for achieving multiple inheritances, many-to-many relationships, we use an interface. For making an interface, we use the interface keyword and give an interface name. Interface have methods without bodies. In the given diagram, vegetables and fruits are two subclasses of the food-base class which have a many-to-many relationship with each other. In the given example, we have vegetables and fruits, two subclasses that inherit from the food-base class, which has two methods named as vegetables and as fruit, respectively. As fruits and vegetables have a many-to-many relationship which cannot be implemented directly, we did it with an interfa. Interfaces cannot contain any method or property implementations. They only provide method signatures, properties, events, or indexers. Implementing classes are responsible for providing the actual implementation. This code demonstrates multiple inheritance using interfaces in C#. The food class implements both fruits and vegetables, so it provides definitions for as fruit and as vegetables. In main, a food object calls both methods, showing that a class can implement multiple interfaces. Rules for interface. An interface is defined using the interface keyword. It can contain method signatures, properties, events, and indexers, but cannot contain any implementation. A class or struct that implements an interface must provide an implementation for all its members. A class can implement multiple interfaces, separating them with commas. Interfaces can inherit from other interfaces. A class implementing the derived interface must implement members of both the derived and base interfaces. Members of an interface are implicitly public and cannot have any access modifiers. Interfaces can define properties and events, which classes must implement. Interfaces cannot contain fields. Only members, methods, properties, events, indexers, are allowed. As of C# 8.0, interfaces can contain static members, but they are typically not implemented by the implementing class. Since C# 8.0, you can use nullable reference types in interfaces to indicate whether members can be null. Supports multiple inheritance. A class can implement multiple interfaces in C#. Improves flexibility. Allows different classes to implement the same interface in their own way. Enhances loose coupling. Code depends on interfaces, not concrete implementations. Better testability. Interfaces make mocking and unit testing easier. Defines a contract. Ensures implementing classes follow a consistent structure. No implementation. Interfaces cannot contain method logic, except default methods, increasing coding effort. More code. Implementing interfaces may require writing extra boilerplate code. Hard to change. Modifying an interface can break all implementing classes. Increased complexity. Overusing interfaces can make the design harder to understand. An interface in C# is a blueprint of a class. It is like an abstract class because all the methods which are declared inside the interface are abstract methods. It cannot have a method body and cannot be instantiated. It is used to achieve multiple inheritance, which can't be achieved by class. It is used to achieve full abstraction because it cannot have a method body. Thank you for watching this C# interface tutorial. If you found this video helpful,